Hello my YouTube friends, I hope you are all fine. I am Sunny Rajput. You are watching my YouTube channel. Our topic is Top 5 Business USA Ideas. It means that if you want to do business in the USA, I will tell you what businesses you can do there. So let's go quickly to our video. We request all new friends to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of every new.
Here are 5 profitable business ideas in the USA that have strong market demand and growth potential. 1. E-commerce and dropshipping. Start an online store using platforms like Shopify or Amazon. Sell trending or niche products without holding inventory. Focus on high-demand categories like eco-friendly products, pet supplies, or tech gadgets. 2. AI and automation services. Offer AI-powered solutions for businesses, chatbots, content generation, automation tools. Develop AI-driven analytics or marketing tools for small businesses. Provide AI consulting services to optimize business operations. 3. Health and wellness coaching. Launch an online fitness or nutrition coaching business. Create a subscription-based wellness app or course. Sell digital meal plans, workout guides, or mindfulness programs. 4. Real estate and short-term rentals, Airbnb. Invest in properties for Airbnb or short-term rentals. Offer property management services for Airbnb hosts. Create a co-living or shared workspace business. 5. Sustainable and eco-friendly products. Sell biodegradable or sustainable home goods. Launch an upcycled fashion or zero-waste product line. Develop a refillable or subscription-based eco-friendly product brand. Would you like ideas tailored to a specific budget or industry?
If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel.